Before giving out your all to a man, involve God first. Hello, people of God. I welcome you back to the Gospel of Jesus with grace. It's again another privilege for me to talk to you all. I'm so excited to talk to you all again today. Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2022. Yeah, you are highly welcome. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome to join this family. I have a message for we ladies. My message today is just for we ladies. Stop giving your all to men. Yeah, because there are so many men, not all men. There are so many men out there that you will give all of you to. You will give them your love, you will give them your time, you will give them your support. In fact, everything about you is what you are giving out to these men, to these people. In return, they will not appreciate what you have done for them. They will not appreciate that love you have given to them. They will not appreciate that time. They will not appreciate that support that you have given to them. Instead, they will pay you back with tears. They will pay you back with sorrow. So many ladies are out there. A lot of ladies are out there that has given their life, that has given their support, that has given all they have to men. But they are out there saying, how which I know. They said, had I know, always be the last. And before you start giving your all to a man, you have to ask yourself a question. Is he really the right man for me? Is he really my God-ordained spouse? Is he really my kingdom spouse? Believe me, my wonderful friend, you don't want to make a mistake of your life, because the greatest mistake that a woman or a man will make is ending up with a wrong partner. Is ending up with a very, very wrong partner. Then you'll be like, had I know, how which I know, I couldn't have said yes at the first time. The time is already gone. You can't bring back the hands of time. You can't bring back the hands of time. The time is already gone. It's already gone. Stop giving your all. Stop giving your all to people that don't appreciate you. Most especially when you know that this man is the kind of man that don't appreciate anything. Some women are ready to give their life to a man, but in return, that man will not appreciate them. In return, that man will be like, what have you even done for me? You didn't do anything. You know? Before you start doing all this for a man, before you start giving your heart to a man, before you start giving your life to a man, you have to ask yourself a question. Is he the rightful man for me? Are you sure I'm not making a mistake? These are the questions you have to ask yourself. And most importantly, we have to involve God. My dear ladies, we have to involve God, because you don't want to make that mistake of your life. You don't want to end up with the wrong partner. The greatest mistake you can do to yourself, the greatest mistake I know that someone can do to his or herself, is to end up with the wrong partner. Before giving out your all to a man, involve God first. Because most men are there for only what they will get from you. Not for what they will give out to you, but what they will get from you. So men are there for just selfish reason. Some men are there because they know that this lady have money. Some men are there because they know that this lady is a kind-hearted woman. So they just want to drive you down. They just want to frustrate you. They just want to take that thing that God has given to you, which is that's your love, your care, and your support. They want to take it off from you and render you useless. Before you start giving your all to a man, involve God. Ask God. Tell him to direct you. Don't go to where you know that you are not being appreciated. Any man that you know that you are dating or you are having an affair with that doesn't appreciate any of your support, my dear, quit that relationship. Don't go further. Because when you go further, you might end up regretting it. You might end up regretting it when you go further. Likewise, women. There are some women that some men will give also all to. they will in return pay that man back with evil. So if you know that you are in any relationship that is not appreciating your support, that is not appreciating your love, that is not appreciating all that you have given, don't go further. Quit that relationship and ask God for a way forward, because you don't want to make that mistake. That mistake of I know. I believe you don't want to make that mistake. So this is all I have for you today. I just say let me make this video because it's new year. Since the beginning of this year, I have not really made any video. So I say let me give out this to you. May God bless you for listening. I will see you again on my next video. But before then, remain blessed. I love you guys. Bye.